India today confronting Mallikarjun Kharge and Akhilesh Yadav, both remaining mum on the issue. A pertinent question that was asked about Swati Maliwal's assault. And here you have both the India bloc allies, Mallikarjun Kharge and Akhilesh Yadav, deciding to duck the question. Where we're going to take you through yet again what Mallikarjun Kharge said and how the SP chief Akhilesh Yadav's security guards there literally manhandled our correspondent, shoving him aside when he just about raised that question. Akhilesh Yadav walking away, ignoring it quite blatantly. Let me cut across to Maushmi, also joining us for more on that. Maushmi, Mallikarjun Kharge very conveniently ducked that question that was asked about Swati Maliwal. It was quite evident. I doubt there's confusion that he may have not understood the question that was asked to him. It was a very pointed question and he decided to answer something else which was not even connected to the question asked. Akhilesh Yadav also walking away when that question was raised, his security guards shoving aside our correspondent Abhishek Mishra and manhandling him in the process. So what's the stance of the India bloc allies when it comes to this case?
So clearly, if you see, I was there in the press conference and my colleague Kumar Abhishek had asked two questions, Nabila, to Mallikarjun Kharge. He replied to the first one, and the second one being on Swati Maliwal, he chose to duck that question, which was clearly evident. Of course, Avinash Pandey, who was, chairing, coordinating the entire question-answer session, in fact, hinted to Kharge to answer, but Kharge chose to answer only one of those questions. Perhaps the India bloc leaders have decided to maintain mum or maintain silence over the entire row that has erupted within the Aam Aadmi Party concerning Swati Maliwal, and that was evident even when my other colleague Abhishek Mishra, he asked Akhilesh Yadav that question when Akhilesh Yadav was coming out of the press conference and was manhandled by the security of Akhilesh Yadav, which is unfortunate because many a times leaders choose security as a measure to shoot the messenger, and this is not the first time round when security has roughed up journalists who have been asking pertinent questions. And you know why this question really is pertinent, because women's safety and security issue has been raked up time and again by the India bloc allies, even in Karnataka, and you'd know that well. And that's one reason that it's important that the India bloc leaders, the allies, answer to this question whether the mannerism in which Swati Maliwal...
I'd like you to stay with us, Maushmi, for the moment. Barka Shukla Singh, former DCW chief, joining us on the phone line. Ms. Barka, please give us your take on the entire episode with Swati Maliwal herself refusing to file a complaint so far. How do you really view this case at the moment?
I think, as you know, this Aam Aadmi Party, they are expert in drama. So there is some internally drama is going on. That's why this lady is behaving like that, because she has to go to a jail now. I have complained against her in ACB. So case is going in the High Court. So now she will go to the jail. That's why I think she's playing all these games.
No, I didn't quite understand what you're trying to convey. What is she going to go to jail for? In which case?
Because Anti-Corruption Bureau में मैंने complaint करी थी against corruption in DCW. Just now, Mr. LG has taken action against the illegal जो
ठीक है, वो एक पुराना कंप्लेंट है, मगर इस बारे में आप क्या कहते हो कि उनको असॉल्ट किया गया था केजरीवाल के पीए ने सीएम के घर के अंदर?
This is really surprising कि सीएम के घर में, and she is very very close to the CM. How that man can misbehave with her? This is something very unfortunate and surprising. I think there is something internally going on. I can't say, but अगर औरत के खिलाफ ऐसा, और she's not going to complain. She's not complaining anything.
Which is odd. In fact, she speaks otherwise very fearlessly about issues of such nature. She's been the DCW chief, so women's issues is something that she... Can you hear me, ma'am?
Yes, I can hear you.
So Swati Maliwal not coming out to file a complaint, isn't that odd?
Of course, she should come. If this happened with her, so she should come. Then she can say that her father assault her. So why not she's coming? Why she's not complaining? What is the matter? Then openly she can say that my father, he abused me, he assaulted me. So she should come and strongly and give her whatever happened with her complaint.
Well, this is very interesting twist of events here, but thanks very much, Ms. Bharka, for joining us. We also have Preeti Chaudhary, who's tracking closely the development within the Aam Aadmi Party. Preeti, Swati Maliwal not coming out to file a complaint is fully odd, goes against her behavior. Otherwise, when she takes up cases on women's rights, she's so fearless while speaking to the media or with going forward and filing a complaint to bring justice for those victims. But when it comes to herself, she so far hasn't stood up. And you have Sanjay Singh instead speaking for her. But 48 hours, not a word coming in from Arvind Kejriwal or any of the India Bloc allies.
Well, Sanjay Singh is speaking for the party when he held that press conference. Where Swati Maliwal is concerned, with what she maintains is now this is an internal party matter. There is at least an understanding that there was no physical assault, but there was a skirmish.
We seem to have lost her connection there. Preeti Chaudhary will be bringing her back on the line. For the moment, what we know is Akhilesh Yadav and Mallikarjun Kharge have refused to speak on the matter. We will take you through those reactions coming in from Mallikarjun Kharge and SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav when they very evidently ducked the question one being asked. If we could play that out.
राहुल जी ने 150 कहा है बीजेपी के लिए। आप बीजेपी को कहां तक देख रहे हैं और कांग्रेस पार्टी को आप कहां तक देख रहे हैं? कांग्रेस पार्टी को। सवाल एक सर और है इसमें, अगर आप दे सकें। सर, स्वाति मालीवाल को लेकर के दिल्ली मुख्यमंत्री के आवास पर आरोप लगाए गए हैं, उस पर भी आपका रिएक्शन चाहेंगे।
देखिए, आपने जो पहला प्रश्न पूछा उसका जवाब मैं ये देता हूं कि मोदी जी 400 पार पहले से बोलते आ रहे हैं। मैं शर्त लगाता हूं अगर वो 400 पार 200 पार नहीं कर सकते, 200 पार नहीं कर सकते। बीजेपी को सत्ता में आने के लिए, रोकने के लिए जितने नंबर होना उससे ज्यादा नंबर हमारे पास आएंगे।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
All right. So in case you missed, if at all the India Bloc allies did not really get the question asked, here's SP Chief Akhilesh Yadav again asked the same question while he was heading out of the presser. He answered other questions, refused to answer this, and our reporter Abhishek Mishra was manhandled as well.
मालीवाल पे कहीं स्वाति मालीवाल को लेकर के चुप है। अखिलेश यादव है सीधे तौर पर का दावा कर रहे हैं।
अरे भाई आ जाओ ना,
जाने तो दो। तो स्वाति मालीवाल पे कहीं स्वाति मालीवाल को लेकर के चुप है। अखिलेश यादव है सीधे तौर पर का दावा कर रहे हैं।
अरे भाई आ जाओ ना,
जाने तो दो।
All right, Preeti Chaudhary is back on the line with us. Preeti, over to you. We've been playing out bites or a lack of response from Mallikarjun Kharge and Akhilesh Yadav. Doesn't seem like the India Bloc allies want to wade into this controversy. Do they view this as an internal matter? But this is a case of assault on a sitting MP, a woman.
Well, even the woman concerned, Swati Maliwal, views it as an internal matter of the party. She hasn't right now said that there was physical assault. She said that she had a problem with the personal secretary of the Delhi Chief Minister, and there was an argument that unfolded. She felt disrespected by the personal secretary of Arvind Kejriwal. Even if the woman in question had said that this is an internal party matter and will be handled, internally, Sanjay Singh was the person from the party who was speaking with Swati Maliwal. This was communicated by Sanjay Singh with where Swati Maliwal is concerned. Where the India Alliance members are concerned, understandably, they are looking at this as an internal party matter to be figured out where the Aam Aadmi Party comes into question. Having said that, you will have the likes of Arvind Kejriwal come into Lucknow tomorrow, Uttar Pradesh, where there will be, a massive show of strength, where politically the India Alliance is concerned. Away from all of that, has this controversy deeply embarrassed the Aam Aadmi Party? Definitely. There has been, a sense of where they thought that at least the campaign was cohesive. Arvind Kejriwal coming out had given the party a fillip in terms of momentum, and this controversy has portrayed. So all of that has been
All right. We seem to have lost Preeti Chaudhary's connection. We're going to try and bring her back, but we heard it at the Aam Aadmi Party. As per Preeti, views this as an internal matter which will be sorted out internally. But the fact that Swati Maliwal arrived at the Civil Lines police station did suggest concern. And should this have been taken in as a complaint, even though she didn't file a complaint, should the police have taken suo moto cognizance of the case and maybe filed a complaint? She has visited the police station, made an SOS call to the police, but yet no formal complaint from her. What would be the police's action next? We're going to continue tracking those developments. But here's more on the political reactions coming in on Swati Maliwal's case. The Congress chief Mallikarjun Kharge has sidestepped those questions about the assault, opting to really remain silent when India Today approached the leaders with this regard. Similarly, a question that was posed to Samajwadi Party leader Akhilesh Yadav also avoided the question, and also his security guards there manhandling our journalist Abhishek Mishra. In the midst of all this, the BJP has accused the Aam Aadmi Party of attempting to cover up this entire assault case, launching a massive protest on the streets of Delhi today.
राहुल जी ने 150 कहा है बीजेपी के लिए। आप बीजेपी को कहां तक देख रहे हैं और कांग्रेस पार्टी को आप कहां तक देख रहे हैं? कांग्रेस पार्टी को। सवाल एक सर और है इसमें, अगर आप दे सकें। सर, स्वाति मालीवाल को लेकर के दिल्ली मुख्यमंत्री के आवास पर आरोप लगाए गए हैं, उस पर भी आपका रिएक्शन चाहेंगे।
देखिए, आपने जो पहला प्रश्न पूछा उसका जवाब मैं ये देता हूं कि मोदी जी 400 पार पहले से बोलते आ रहे हैं। मैं शर्त लगाता हूं, अगर वो 400 पार 200 पार नहीं कर सकते, 200 पार नहीं कर सकते। बीजेपी को सत्ता में आने के लिए, रोकने के लिए जितने नंबर होना, उससे ज्यादा नंबर हमारे पास आएंगे।
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
सर, स्वाति मालीवाल पे कहें, स्वाति मालीवाल को लेकर के चुप कर माउंटेन डाउन का आपने अखिलेश यादव है सीधे तौर पर का दावा कर रहे हैं।
अरे भाई आ जाओ ना,
जाने तो दो।
केजरीवाल ने पहले चीफ सेक्रेटरी का पिटाई किया, वो भी एलिगेशन है। कल सुबह वो राज्यसभा सांसद को भी पिटाई किया। मेरा लगता है कि राज्यसभा का, हमारे जो भारत का वाइस प्रेसिडेंट है, जो राज्यसभा का चेयरमैन है, उनको सो मोटू कॉग्नाइजेंस लेना चाहिए। केजरीवाल जब अपना राजनीतिक सफर शुरू किया था, उन्होंने क्या बोला था कि मैं कांग्रेस का साथ कभी हाथ नहीं मिलाऊंगा। आज दिल्ली में क्या कर रहा है? कांग्रेस का साथ ही इलू इलू कर रहा है। उनका पॉलिटिक्स शुरू कहां से हुआ था? एंटी कांग्रेस से ही शुरू हुआ था, लेकिन आज वो जाके कांग्रेस का गोद में बैठ गया है। तो केजरीवाल का कोई पॉलिटिकल फिलॉसफी नहीं है, खुद चोर है, लोगों को चोर बोलते हैं।
अरविंद केजरीवाल, स्वाति मालीवाल और उनकी पत्नी, सबका आपस का है, इसमें हम कहाँ पढ़ने जाएंगे भाई। केजरीवाल का तो अभी एक ही चेहरा, भ्रष्टाचारी चेहरा देख रहे हैं, अब दूसरा चेहरा देखने लगेंगे तो हमें गड़बड़ा जाएगा।
माननीय मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी जब घर पर मौजूद थे, तब माननीय मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी के ओएसडी ने बदतमीजी करी है स्वाति मालीवाल जी से, जो आम आदमी पार्टी की ही राज्यसभा की मेंबर हैं। तो माननीय मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी अभी भी आकर क्यों नहीं बोल रहे हैं इस पर, और अभी तक आम आदमी पार्टी ने केवल निंदा करी है, अरविंद केजरीवाल जी ने अभी कोई कार्रवाई क्यों नहीं करी? माननीय मुख्यमंत्री अरविंद केजरीवाल जी यदि अपनी ही पार्टी के एक कार्यकर्ता, अपनी ही पार्टी की एक महिला सांसद की सुरक्षा सुनिश्चित नहीं कर सकते अपने ही आवास पे, तो वो दिल्ली की महिलाओं की सुरक्षा क्या सुनिश्चित करेंगे?
अगर उनके पति ने जान का खतरा कहा है तो क्योंकि 4-5 दिन लगे हैं और अभी एफआईआर करके अरेस्ट नहीं करा रहे हैं तो कुछ भी संभव है। इसलिए उनको सिक्योरिटी की सुविधा मिलनी चाहिए और भारतीय संविधान के तहत किसी भी मिनिस्टर या किसी भी अधिकारी को सांसद के खिलाफ मारपीट कर दे, ये संविधान के खिलाफ बात है एकदम। तो क्या एफआईआर करा के उसे पकड़वा रहे हैं या नहीं?
संजय जी ने जिस प्रकार खुल करके सब सारी बातें सामने रख दी हैं और कहा कि खुद मुख्यमंत्री ने उन्होंने संज्ञान में लिया है और सख्त से सख्त कार्रवाई होगी, तो मैं समझता हूं कि इसका पटाक्षेप वही होना चाहिए। सार्वजनिक जीवन में कोई भी व्यक्ति अगर इस प्रकार का व्यवहार करे, वो किसी भी दल का हो, किसी भी ओहदे पे हो, तो वो स्वीकार्य नहीं होना चाहिए। उसके लिए 0 टॉलरेंस होना चाहिए।
कहीं भी हो, किसी भी दल में हो, अगर कोई किसी के साथ अभद्रता होती, कुछ होता तो दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण, ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए। अब वो किस संदर्भ में किया, कैसे किया, वो तो जब उसका पूरी पृष्ठभूमि जानकारी होगी, जांच होगी, तभी पता चल पाएगी उसमें कोई दोषी है कि नहीं है, कि किस संदर्भ में हुआ है, तो उसकी जांच जरूरी है। जो केजरीवाल ने कहा, स्वागत है कि जांच होनी चाहिए ताकि तथ्य सामने आ सके।
Right, Shreya Chatterjee with us. Shreya, you've been covering the BJP protests on the streets. Are they still on? Do you view this issue itself to become a political talking point? Delhi goes to elections in barely a week, 25th of May.
Well, absolutely, Nabila. You know, this will definitely be a political talking point unless and until the Aam Aadmi Party does not ensure that Swati Maliwal, the victim in this matter herself, comes out and clarifies that what exactly goes on. Because remember, if she's dialed help, she's called a police line, then definitely she's seeking help. But what happened that for next 48 hours she's gone incommunicado, she's not present, and this is absolutely Swati Maliwal acting against her usual behavior. She's represented the DCW. She's a Rajya Sabha MP. In this scenario, just a formal acceptance by the Aam Aadmi Party that yes, a certain incident took place and there will be action against Vibhav Kumar doesn't really douse the matter, because clarity at hand is lacking that what is the kind of action that has been taken against Vibhav Kumar and where exactly is Swati Maliwal. Even though source-based informations are trickling in that this is an internal matter which is being dealt with, it is no more an internal matter when a Rajya Sabha MP dials the police and seeks help. There is a matter at hand that needs to be addressed at large, because it is sending out an extremely wrong message about women's safety, that too inside the Chief Minister's residence. So clearly,
Shreya,
at the current political juncture, with the election overlooking, if the Aam Aadmi Party does not resolve this, the BJP will definitely continue their attack.